The Taliban rulers in Afghanistan have welcomed the Delhi Declaration emanating from a eight-country meeting hosted by India. In a reaction to the Delhi Declaration adopted by eight countries on 10th November at the India Conference on Afghanistan, the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan has said that it had already fulfilled all of the demands mentioned by the conference. Afghan Foreign Ministry Deputy Spokesman Inamullah Samangani said the Islamic Emirate welcomes the India meeting. He assured that the Taliban is trying to take solid steps in governance and the world countries should not be worried about Afghanistan's soil being used against anyone. The India conference, in which the representatives of Russia, Iran, and five Central Asian states participated, called for the formation of an inclusive government in Afghanistan that will counter terrorism and prevent Afghan soil from being used against other countries. Some political experts say that such meetings could be effective in ensuring stability and economic development. The India meeting is effective for Afghanistan because India is one of the eight providing countries to Afghanistan and it is now also interested in supporting the country. The Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan was not invited to the India conference. Hosted by Indian National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, the dialogue witnessed participation from Iran, Russia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan. New Delhi had also invited China and Pakistan to join the talks, but the two countries chose not to accept the invitation. A joint declaration adopted by eight countries asserted that Afghanistan's territory must not be used for terror activities. In addition to specifying that the situation in Afghanistan could impact regional security, the declaration called for an open and inclusive government in Kabul.